So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your TIN number in 5 minutes, not just getting it in 5 minutes. I can do it by yourself from the comfort of your home. So stop paying on those people, those agents out there that will collect big money from you. So you can do your TIN number by yourself, and it is totally free. So I'm going to show you how to do it by yourself, and you will get your TIN number in just 5 minutes. So join me and let's dive into the class. So guys, make sure you like and share this video. Also drop your comment on the comment section so that others will get to see this video. So let's dive in. So go to your Google Chrome and type taxpromas.frs.gov.ng. so it will bring you to this interface. So the next thing you do is click on register if you have not registered before. So once you click on register, it will bring you to this interface. Then click on Corporate Affairs Commission. So click on Corporate Affairs Commission. Then to bring you into this interface. So depending on the business the company that you want to search on the CAC number for, whether it's a company or a business name, depend. So I want to search for a business name, so I will click on enterprise. So the next thing I will do is I will go and enter the CAC number of the business that I want to search for, or the company name that I want to search for. So once I enter the CAC number, I'll click on search. So I will click on search. Then once I click on search, it will populate the company or some details of the company. So the next thing I'm going to do is I will click on the OTP sending channel. So I will either click on phone number or email. So I want them to send me a OTP on my email. So make sure that you click on select the right one and enter your correct email. So once you type in your email, then you click on send OTP. So make sure you enter your email correct and cross check that the email is correct before you click on the send email. So after you have entered your details, then you need to cross check before you click on the send OTP. So once you click on send OTP, they will now send you a message that an email has been sent to your a message has been sent to your email. So you go to your email, and so once you click on the OTP number, then automatically it will generate or populate the information in your CAC account. So you can cross check and see all the information in your CAC account. Then the TIN number will be generated for you, so you can see the TIN number, pre-TIN number. So you scroll down to fill in other information for you to activate your TIN number. So you are going to fill in the address, the state, your email, the description or nature of the business, and all the rest. So make sure that you fill in all the information that is related to your business before you activate the TIN number or validate the TIN number. So make sure that you enter all the information. So you will enter the nature of the business name, you enter your phone number, you enter the email and the other information. So you just make sure that you enter all the details of all the information correct. Then you are going to click on here is a company as the company commence. So you click on yes. Then you click on the new business. Then the next thing is you are going to click on the classification of the business. So which type of business? So you are going to select the type of business that you want to search it for. So depend on your type of business or the business of the client. So you go and search for the type of business that you want to do it for. So in this case, the person is into POS business. So I will search for information and communication. Then I'm going to search for the sub business that this person is doing. So I'm going to search for computer consultancy and the computer facility management. So depending on the activities of the business that the person is into. So once I'm done that, then I will still go and cross check other information. So make sure that you select the right category of the company that you want to do the TIN number for. So you are also going to select the office and address. Then you are going to click on activate e-service. So you click on yes to activate an e-service so that you can do all your details, or anytime you want to perform any task information, you can do it online. So you're going to enter your name, your phone numbers, and your email. Also, you enter all your information, make sure that everything is correct. Then once you are done, you click on the tick here, then you enter your name and your designation in the company. So you make sure that you see cross-check all your information to see that all the information that you have given, they are all correct before you click on submit. So make sure that you enter your name, then you enter your designation. If you enter if you have not filled any information, if you click on submit, will not submit. So I have not entered the state, so I'm going to choose the state. So Rivers State. Then you choose the local government. So you still need to cross check to see that you are filling all the informations. So you click on submit. Okay, so I've not selected the office office, so I'm going to select the office. So it's in Port Harcourt. I'm going to select Port Harcourt. So depending on the office that is close to you, the FRS office that is close to you, that you will select. So you still need to cross check again, then you click on submit once everything is okay. So once you click on submit, they will now show you, congratulations, your FRS TIN number is successful. So they will see your FRS TIN number. So they have already sent you information on your email where you can get all the details. So you can go to your email, you will see your password and your username. So this is how to create your TIN number. I hope you got value for this training. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure that you subscribe and also like this video.